What's up guys, my name's Luke from Archerwood, style consultancy and pre-owned menswear store. It's Friday, it's Fits of the Week time, where we look at the best fits from throughout the week and maybe give you a little bit of inspiration to go into the weekend with. If you are interested in submitting a fit pic from yourself or someone else, DM me on Instagram or tag me in. But let's get into the first fit. This one was sent to me on Instagram. So if I feature someone that I haven't put the ID of, if you do know it, drop it in the comments and I'll tag them in. But this one was sent to me on Instagram and I absolutely love this. It's super simple and it's something that can be achieved at pretty much any price point. So you could easily put this together in a vintage or second-hand way for a pretty reasonable price. So first of all, we've got this lovely trench coat. It looks like a grey beigey colour from my screen here, paired with a navy jumper and like a shirt or a polo underneath. Some mid-wash denim jeans that are just to the right length, I'd say, and a nice, just straight leg. Some white socks and some horse-built loafers. So again, super simple. You could do this at a really expensive price point or you could do it at a really cheap price point, and I think you'd get a good look either way. You can get pre-owned or vintage trench coats for quite a reasonable price from some really good brands. Again, simple jumper. You don't really know what the white shirt is underneath. The jeans will be the one I think you need to get it just right, and I think a simple pair of 501s would work with these. Simple white socks, and then the loafers. The loafers, again, you can pick up, you can go all the way to Gucci, or you can pick horse-bit ones. Like I got some from Horatio online, pre-owned, and I got them for 60 quid, and they're very similar to these. For me, what makes it is the loafers, to be honest. If you were to wear any other footwear, I think with this, it would just not look anything special. The loafers just give it a nice little touch to elevate the outfit. So next up is this fit from Dean Tony Felice. I think that's how you say the name. So I saw this in an Instagram reel and I just really like the look of it. It's very similar to that one that was in Call Me By Your Name, I think the film was, with the guy that likes that. Just a simple fit, but the lovely oversized loose shirt, the short shorts, so what's that, like a 5-inch inseam, and then these brown suede loafers. Really nice together. Obviously, it really helps when you've got a solid tan like this guy, because it brings out those light colours massively. But I just like the fit in general. The short shorts mixed with the baggy shirt and then topped off with loafers. Loafers make everything better. But yeah, really nice fit, good for the summer. And again, another one that you can buy at a reasonable price point. The shirt could be vintage, same with the shorts, and I'd always advise to spend some good money on some loafers. But you can do it pre-owned. So this next look is from @AustinPollack on Instagram, and for me, I just love this mix of colours. So you've got this double-breasted like cream blazer mixed with a navy shirt and white contrast buttons, and then these beautiful high-waisted pleated trousers in this kind of like gold colour. So the trousers are actually from Kit Blake. I've just recently received a pair, and they're in the tailors at the moment, so I'm going to do a full video on Kit Blake soon. But yeah, big fan of this. For me, it's the mixing of colours. It's not always easy to mix two lighter tones together, and I think the mid-tone of those trousers really work with the lighter blazer and then the darker tone of the shirt as well. Really nice fit altogether, and yeah, just a big fan. Okay, so the next one is actually from Drake's. So this is actually of Joe Grier. So I featured this in my top picks for the Drake's archive sale, and he's wearing one of the shirts from there. So this is like a linen shirt with one pocket on the chest. It's got this like thick red and white stripes, and because it's linen as well, when you see it closer up, it's like a faded out linen effect. That sort of like nice, lovely texture, lovely summery texture. Paired it with this like western belt, some green trousers with a lovely little crease in them, and then some contrast loafers as well. So for me, what I love about this is the pairing of the trousers and the shirt. Like, it's not easy to pair those two colours together, and I think he's absolutely smashed it. The loafers really help as well, and that just simple belt just breaks it up. Very cool fit for the summer, and yeah, that just stood out to me. But I think going strong with the green trousers and then the contrast loafers is a bold move, but I think it's absolutely one that works. The look overall, I'm just a big fan of, and it's something a little bit different. I love that shirt, and yeah, it's just a really great fit. All right, for the next one, we've got comedian Jimmy Carr, of all people. And that's the reason why I've chose this, because comedians are definitely having a bit of a time in the sun. You don't have to be like comical looking anymore. They dress well. I've done a video on Tom Segura's glow up previously. You've got people like Matt Rife, who is like a ludicrously good looking dude, who is now a comedian as well. Whereas before, I think the idea was that comedians need to be a little bit funny looking and they can't be attractive, and we have to wear some sort of like gimmicky or not good stuff, or like quite leery stuff. Now I really like the fact that we're seeing a change in that. And Jimmy's got this really lovely suit. I don't actually know where it's from, but it's giving me Drake's vibes. really nice large size lapels, notch lapels, and I think a denim shirt from what I can see here. This is the only image I've got of it, but I just really liked it. And it's got like a little contrasty pocket square as well. Personally, I love pairing denim shirts with suits, and this is just a good mix. And yeah, I just really seeing a nice suit on TV, because we're not seeing it that often, and I think this is a really good one. So yeah, shout out Jimmy Carr and your stylist. And then the last look for the day, we've got this fit, which I found on Pinterest. I don't know who it is, so if anyone knows the ID, please drop it in the comments. But again, this is another really nice use of green, and just a really lovely fit overall. So first of all, we've got this really soft-shouldered blazer in this mid-light green, paired with a light, looks like an Oxford shirt, some high-rise ivory trousers, they look like they're in the linen, and some brown tassel loafers as well. He's also got a little pocket handkerchief, which is like a lighter colour blue and white mixed together. So just a bit of contrast, a bit of pop in there as well. It's clearly in sunny setting and surroundings. And I just really like the balance of this fit overall. The cuts are all really nice. The slimness of the trousers, the high rise to them, the structure of the shoulders, just all really nicely put together. Feel like I'm moving towards green. While I was in brown territory before with my obsession with brown suits, I'm moving towards green again. Olive was a big fixture previously, and yeah, I just really like this. I just really like the balance of it. I love the colour of those trousers as well. And yeah, just a huge fan. I think he's done a really good job pairing this together. So anyway, guys, they were the fits of the week. Let me know in the comments which one were your favourites, and also if you can ID anyone in there. If you have any you want to submit, DM me an image or tag me in as well on Instagram. So it's at @ArcherandWoods. Do check out archerandwoods.com for premium menswear as well. We've got some really cool new pieces in. I've actually got this really lovely double-breasted suit from Reese come through in this colour. I think the official colour is latte mocha. I don't know what it is. But it's a really lovely fit, perfect for this time of year. And yeah, I'm a big fan of that. Also, if you're interested in style consultancy, I offer anything from like online sessions to like a full personal styling service in person. I've added, so I was doing initially hour-long sessions online, but I've had a few people message me to say they would like to go for it, but they found their budget a bit too tight. So I've added a few slots for half-hour sessions for £50. So if you're interested in that, I've got the details on the website under the Style Consultancy tab. And yeah, just if you are interested in a one-on-one half-hour session to ask me anything, any advice in terms of thrifting, how to get the most out of your budget, or any style questions, yeah, check out archerandwoods.com for that, or email me at hello@archerandwoods.com. But anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Please do remember to like and subscribe, because it really helps me grow the channel and just make more videos. And I look forward to hearing from you soon. Cheers.